because they're pissing their time off, they're drinking, they're doing all these things they shouldn't do, they're not productive. You just put your time in every day for 5, 6, 7 years. You look around, you're the best at what you do. It's just a byproduct of having quality habits.
So you got to sacrifice.
Sacrifice is like a motherfucker.
Now,
sacrifice creates paradise. I mean, that's really what it is. People think they're gonna stumble across shit, but like truly becoming successful is sacrificing today for a better tomorrow. Yeah.
All right, guys, these are the 3 reasons why you're failing in trading. Number 1, you're operating from a low frequency. You see, your frequency is what you frequently see. In other words, the world you see is not how it is how you are. You have to tap into your inner consciousness and detach yourself from low frequency vibrations. Low frequencies are associated with jealousy, anxiety, resentment, desperation, unfulfillment, and unforgiveness. Operating in a high frequency means you are embodying feelings of joy, happiness, love, self-awareness, self-discipline, self-love, and gratitude. Now, how the fuck do you want to be profitable if you have no self-discipline? If you have no self-love and no gratitude? I don't give a fuck what strategy you use. If you don't master yourself, you will not be profitable. Once I began the journey to operate from a higher frequency and understood that there were internal things that were delaying my success, that's when I began to secure the bag. This shit is real, guys. And the sooner you fucking realize it, the sooner you will eliminate these toxic behaviors that are making you blow accounts. Operating from a low frequency leads to having negative thoughts, greed, being impulsive, being impatient, never being satisfied with profits. You gotta get those things in alignment with a higher self and expect more from you. You have to expect more of you. You have to lead by example and reach a point in trading where you become disgusted by greed, overtrading, and taking impulsive moves. Number 2, your risk management sucks. If you can't preserve money, you won't see profitability, period. Some of you are so fucking desperate to drive a Lambo and quit your jobs and buy some Gucci sneakers that you want to hit a home run on every trade. And that's exactly why you keep fucking blowing accounts. You see, every successful company has a risk management department. The function is to monitor and protect the company from losses. So you need to treat trading like a real business. Professional and profitable traders don't treat trading like a hobby. You want a hobby? Go fucking collect basketball cards. You need to know exactly how much you're risking before getting in on a trade. You need to know how much you're willing to lose in one day and in 1 week. And you must follow those rules like if your life depends on it. If you do not preserve money, guys, you won't have money to trade. So it's obvious that you need to focus on money preservation more so than profit taking. Spend time in this area, guys. It will be extremely beneficial to your trading. Number 3, you don't have enough experience in the markets. This topic is so underrated. People think that having the right strategy is going to make them rich. That is far from reality. You see, experience provides you with the understanding of the environment you are operating under. No strategy, no indicator, or money management is going to help you if you are inexperienced and haven't seen the flows of the market enough. As you gain experience in the market, you start to recognize market behaviors that occur daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Experience is how I'm able to get into certain trades when there's no clear indicator. Sometimes you just know because you've seen the algo play out on certain moves enough times that you just know when to get in or know when to get out. You see, experience teaches you when it is a good time to trade, when it is not. when you should add to your position or when you should close your position, when you should not trade because you are not in the right mental state or emotional state. You see, one of the most valuable contributions of experience comes from the self-awareness it gives you. There's an advantage in being in the trenches and seeing price action over and over. You'll start to get a pulse on the market, and this edge is what helps you recognize things as they are happening and sometimes before they even happen. So guys, enjoy the journey and embrace the failures. The sooner you accept that trading is a long game, the sooner you will leave all that toxic behavior behind you. I can very easily keep going on this topic, but I'm just going to leave it on those 3 main reasons. And guys, get your shit together. Trading can be life-changing. Trading can provide you with that freedom that you desire. But trading is not for the weak, for the impatient, for the greedy, for the impulsive, and for the lazy. I hope this video was insightful. Have a blessed day.